we're back. We were chasing the train, and the bridge collapsed. So, we gotta get on the other side of that bridge.
Ha ha! Kate Walker! The ivory's ours.
Prick.
You blubbery bellyhog. Don't come this way. Can't you see you're too heavy?
There's the bird we read about. Hallingding? I forgot. What we have here.
I have to melt this ice.
And that's what we want to do first.
That dog does exactly as it pleases. Hey, there's some kind of house at the bottom of the falls.
And over here.
Such a big forest and so little dry wood.
Well, we found wood. And we have matches. So let's go back so that we can feed Yuki. Big puppy. And you have to do this so that the program will run in its sequence. Put the wood, make a fire. Now we can take the fish. We never gave the colonel back the clothes he let us borrow. So we stole them like we stole the candy, fish food. Never paid for the bird cola. If the game teaches anything,
Come back here.
it's taking things and not paying for them.
That dog really needs a leash.
And you hear that in the background. When the Yogi chased the beaver, he was cutting down this tree. And that's our way.
.330. What the hell is he doing out there? Ah, Canton. Where have you been? I've got better things to do than wait for phone calls.
I'm in the boonies, Mr. Martin. But things are looking good. I've got good reason to believe that Kate Walker is right here in this village, or at least in the immediate vicinity.
Find her, Canton. Bring her back. Whatever you have to do, but bring her back here, understand?
Your money's on me, Martin.
You don't want to go to the right. It's just a dead end for now. If we take a look at this,
With a knot like that, I'll never untie it. Hello?
Kate. Katie Munchkin, it's your mother.
Mother!
Oh, I've been worried to Valium, Munchkin. When are you going to stop this gallivanting? You know your boss is looking everywhere for you.
I'm not coming home, Mom.
Katie, this isn't what you set out to do in life. You know that.
Things change, Mom. Things have changed.
Oh, my lord. Katie, have you gone completely mad?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
My God, Kate.
Bye, Mom.
and we see up on top of the mantle something to look at. Take that, Russian doll. Here's a book. It's about fishing. It tells us about the orange salmon. It tells us what they like to eat and who likes to eat them. Over here, food for the great brown bear, amongst others. And it prefers green frogs. That's something to remember. We got a hatchet here. Use that on that rope. Nothing on the table. Over here, a fish tank. We need a fish tank. Not a bag, not a bucket, but a fish tank. But we'll take it.
Now what? You got cold paws? You don't want to go outside? Look, just get in. Whoa!
Whoa. Okay, remember, we read that the brown bears like to eat orange salmon. And if there's one thing I learned when playing the game, was that this brown bear, very picky. Doesn't want anything but orange salmon. Now here we got a fishing pole. Of course, let's put down our fish tank. And we have a tackle box. I know that one looks like the green frog more than this one, but we're going to use this one. And we're going to cast in this area to the right. Let's see if we can do it on the first shot. Although the first time I played, I rather enjoyed fishing. And that does look like it has a little orange on it. If you don't catch the orange one the first time, you can feed them to Yogi.
Bet you couldn't wait to get your chops around that boy, huh?
That does say orange salmon. Let's get out of the cold. And when we come back, we're going to get that bear out of here so we could leave in the next one.